Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this half cut crease glitter smoky eye. I know it's a lot, but I'm very excited. It's more like a bold Valentine's Day look, more my style. Natural makeup is great, but yeah, I'm very excited for this look. So if you'd like to know how I achieved it, and then please keep on watching. Today I'm gonna be using the Naughty palette by Huda Beauty. For a transition shade, I'm gonna go in with Rough, this little matte brown shade. Just buff this into the crease. What do you guys think of my wig? I love it. I got it for so cheap off of Amazon. I just typed in long blonde wig and this popped up. I was like, I have to have it. It's so cute. Next, I'm gonna go in with Untamed, this maroon matte shade right here, just to darken the crease a little bit. It's gonna be kind of like a vampy, smoky eye for V-Day. I am so excited. I usually hate Valentine's Day, but this year I'm actually excited for it. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Anything fun? I'm gonna be spending it with my boo thing. I cannot wait. Now I'm gonna take my LA Pro Concealer in Cool Nude just to kind of carve out that half cut crease that I'm going to attempt. I'm not amazing at cut creases, but I think I'm like at least decent. As long as you blend everything, you're good. Blend that baby out. Wow, there's always one eye that I like more, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go in with that maroon shade again and just kind of diffuse the line right here as best as I can. I'm gonna go in with this light pink shade called Filthy and put that where I put the concealer. Gorgeous. I'm gonna do a little bit more of the black shade to make it a little bit more smoky. Right there. I'm using Sephora's liquid liner for this little wing. It might not turn out little, it never turns out little, but we're just gonna go with it and hope for the best. Yeah, these wings didn't really come out small, but whatever. I'm gonna use the Falsies Volume Express mascara by Maybelline. Also, don't mind my really bad orange spray tan hands. Self-tanner hands. I self-tanned last night and I should be able to know how to do it by now, but I can't get my hands right to look right ever. It's horrible. If you have any advice, please comment down below. Help a girl out. It's really bad. These lashes I got from TJ Maxx. I forget the name, but I'm gonna list them down below. I'm obsessed with these. They're so fluffy. I love just the way they like flutter out. It's perfect for a cat eye too, or if you have like winged eyeliner. I got them from TJ Maxx for $4. $4! That's crazy! I've been getting so many lashes from TJ Maxx now. For my under eye shadow, I'm gonna use the Untamed maroon shade, the same one that I used on top. And I kind of want this to be a little thick. Not too thick, but a little thick. Just blend it, blend it. Now I'm gonna go in with this Queen black liner. I'm gonna go in with that Blackout shade. Does anyone watch Married at First Sight? I just have to talk about it. Like, none of my friends watch it or my family members, but the season is actually crazy. Like, I cannot believe it. Chris is insane and needs to go. I feel so bad for Paige. I wish he would just dodge the bullet right now. I can't wait to see what happens though. It's like such a good season already. My favorite is Vincent and Brianna. They're so cute. You can tell they're definitely going to fall in love. I'm gonna use the NYX glitter in Crystal Ball. This is the scary part, so bear with me. For lips, I'm gonna go in with Kylie Jenner's One Wish lip liner. Now I'm gonna go in with Koko, her matte liquid lip. It's a really pretty pink, light pink shade. This is the finished look. I'm very excited and happy it came out this way. I did not think it was gonna look this put together. These are coming out much better. Ooh, I'm digging this look.